Rumsa sotaya sakan thigon dalde ya good at komai da kabor tuna zakhala yani gimin akan nagin. Ya good at khora changa sapahu akan ni somayo nama ba changan kabor tuna zakhala. Jedake wa teacher maths kina belong in changa bichana kama sin ngata wa maths to nama ne ani wangude aro wa sokna chana belong in changa wa sokna chana niyo nama ne ani wangude wa guitar dokna changa wa trokna changa ne ani wangude yaneke changa sapani ko akan ni somayo changa ba nama nbo kana gata ya good at khora zakhala. Yani structure minute kinsi wangude skang ba subject uni jamano helping verb am is are uni jamano good at uni jamano verb ba noun verb ko zakha kinsi wangude skang ba verb wa inji tapi verb ko de zakhala again. Example uwa maths to nama ne an wangude he is good at maths nangen. Maths to nama ne an wangude good at maths nangen. Wa sokna chana niyo nama ne an wangude she is good at cooking nangen. Sokna chana niyo nama ne an wangude good at cooking nangen. Dawan ching yang kuna uwa kidrikna changa ne akan wangude she is good at singing nangen. Kidrikna changa bokom good at singing nangen. Aro number 4 anga guitar dokna changa ne akan wangude I am good at playing guitar nangen. Guitar dokna changa bokom good at playing guitar nangen. Aro chinga apsan kam kana changa ba chinga apsan kam ka niyo nama ne an wangude we are good at working together nangen. Apsan kam kana changa bokom good at working together nangen. Yeneke ya good at khora changa sapani ko akan ani somayo nama ba changa ba ko akan nagata zakhala. Yerang san dalni video de da keman asmana mungsa kana das kinga anga Facebook page khule ham wano anga scan ni video aro photo rang upload khagen ya video ni khamal link atinga asma di angimang follow kha ina ta mungkin. Nakiman dalni video di yerang san mithila nishing masakan thikon aro mungban video kong thagen.